Hundreds gathered in the Bacoor Gymnasium behind me to hear out presidential candidate Rodrigo Duterte. He came here to sign a sister city agreement between Bacoor City and his hometown of Davao City. Bacoor City Mayor Strike Revilla says the deal will foster greater cooperation between the two cities. Vote-rich Cavite is the bailiwick of the Revilla political family. Duterte said he didn't want to talk politics, but that didn't stop him from talking about elections and defending himself on controversial issues.
Ako, personally, you can choose any one of us. Apat yan. Para sa akin, isipin mo muna sila. Last na lang ako. But if you think that I can serve you, then maybe you can remember me on the last week before election. Di ako nung umulite ka, bahala kayo. Maghanap kayo ng tao who can deliver us from the mouths of hell.
One audience member raised a politically charged question. He had to answer.
Dahil kami po, namimiss na po namin ang aming mahal na Senator Bong Revilla.
Pareho tayo, kaibigan ko mo.
Opo. Kung sakali po, Mayor, na kayo po ang manalo sa darating na halalan bilang presidente po ng Pilipinas, magiging patas po ba kayo sa gagawing paglilitis po sa kaming mahal na senador na kung saan po'y nakakulong po siya doon sa kasalanan hindi naman po niya ginawa? Yan lamang po ang aking katanungan po at maraming salamat po.
Ako, you can be very sure. Lalabas yan. Lalabas yan sa prison. I cannot guarantee na yung kaso may erase ay nasa korte. Pero I will see to it that they are also afforded the right to bail.
Duterte invited Bacooreños to visit Davao and jokingly gave them a warning.
Huwag na ninyong problemahan kung saan kayo titira. Ako, yung bahay ko, maliit talaga, pero kakasya yun, mga isang daan na Caviteño. Doon kayo titira. Kaya lang, pagtulog natin, kasi maliit yung bahay, nakatindig lang tayo.
P. Renada, Rappler, Bacoor City.
Well, anyway, Davao